Alright, so I built this app that allows anybody to study better with YouTube. You can watch the YouTube video. You can ask an AI chatbot on anything about the video, and then you can take notes while you are watching and learning with the video. So over here, I have a YouTube video, and this is an interview. So it's an interview between Gary Neville and Andre Onana, who is a goalkeeper for Manchester United. And suppose I want to take some notes about the interview for, let's say, school or my job or whatever, something like that. And then while I'm watching the video, I can ask the AI chatbot specific questions about the video because the AI chatbot is trained on the video. So I can ask the AI chatbot, for example, summarize the video into 5 parts. And then it's asking the AI chatbot right now by feeding the transcript of the YouTube video into the AI chatbot, which is powered by OpenAI API, GPT-4o. And as you can see, it's outputting some information that is directly from the interview, and it's pretty accurate. As you can see, it also supports Markdown as well, so you can see what the AI has bolded for you to keep track of. Alright, so we have a pretty good summary of the video. And what we can do is that we can either ask it more specific questions. We can ask it something that it mentioned about in its response. But we're not going to do that right now. What we're going to do is I'm going to show you how you can better take notes with this kind of setup. So what you can do is you can copy the response from the AI and then head over to the notes section and then paste it below. Boom, as you can see, everything is already formatted for you. We have the markdown, we have like the bolded header, and then we have like the bullet points underneath that talk about specific parts of the interview. And now I want to change this title. So the way I can change this title is I can replace it and say Onana interview. And then this note taking place on the right hand side is very versatile and very clean as well. For example, you want to highlight some specific phrases in your text. So for example, I want to highlight Andre Onana. I can change the color, maybe change the highlight color to yellow. Boom, as you can see, there's a beautiful yellow highlight at the background. And you can make this text bold if you want to do that, make it italic, underline it, strike through, a lot of stuff. And then in this editor, you have a lot of ways to write. So you can have like the big headings, you can have like a bullet point list as you see over here. You can even put code, and you can put images, and it will format it accordingly. But that's not it for this editor. The thing that makes this editor super powerful and different from other note-taking software while keeping the integration between this video chatbot and the video part is that you can ask AI to help improve your notes in any way possible. So for example, I see this line that talks about how Onana plays from the back in football. What I can do is I can ask the AI. So by clicking ask AI, I can say I want to elaborate more on it. So I can ask the AI to make this longer. So I'm going to click make it longer. And then again, it's asking OpenAI for improvement to the current sentence. So as you can see, OpenAI has returned me a bit more longer text, exactly the same as playing from the back. I kind of like what it's said over here, so I'm gonna replace it with my current text. And then boom, everything has been replaced with the new text. I can also ask AI to do things that are not in this list. For example, I can ask it to make this more funny if I want to. So you can think about like the potential applications. Like you can ask it to make your notes more much more concise, stuff like that. And then it created a sort of funny text, but I'm not going to replace it. Anyways, this is just a demo of the AI app that I've built. Anyone can study with YouTube in a much better way. And the good thing about this is not only you can take notes, take beautiful notes, and talk to a chatbot, you can also study from YouTube videos without any ads and without any other distractions. For example, other YouTube recommendations. It's just this clean, simple interface. Plus, there's a beautiful dark mode. So if you ever get tired when writing notes, you have that beautiful dark mode to look at. So yeah, down the road, I need to add authentication to this site and set up a payment system. And also, in terms of feature-wise, I'm going to obviously not only improve the chatbot, try to keep improving it in the future, but also I'm going to have a way for users to export the notes. For example, it's like a PDF or a Google Docs. So yeah, hope you enjoy and stay tuned.